In a historic move to revolutionize the educational infrastructure in Qatar, UCC Holding has partnered with COBOD, Denmark's foremost manufacturer of concrete 3D printers, to construct schools using cutting-edge 3D printing technology. Set against the modern skyline of Doha, the signing ceremony marked a significant step towards setting a new Guinness World Record for the largest 3D printed buildings. Mr. Ramez Al-Kayat, president of UCC Holding, and Mr. Henrik Lund Nielsen, CEO and founder of COBOD, were present to formalize the agreement, signifying a fusion of Qatari ambition with Danish innovation. The ambitious project aims to leverage COBOD's third-generation 3D printers, acclaimed as the largest in the world, which are capable of producing large-scale, structurally sound buildings with unprecedented speed and efficiency. This initiative is expected to not only expedite the construction process, but also introduce sustainable building practices. For Qatar, a nation keen on futuristic visions as seen in its rapid urban development and commitment to sustainability, this venture introduces a new era in construction methodologies. The use of 3D printing technology is poised to address key challenges in traditional construction, such as labor-intensive processes and extended timelines, by significantly reducing construction time while maintaining high standards of quality. Moreover, this bold step forward places Qatar at the forefront of technological adoption in the construction sector on a global scale. Beyond its innovative approach, the project holds profound implications for the future of education in Qatar. By utilizing advanced construction methods, UCC Holding envisions creating state-of-the-art educational facilities that foster learning and creativity. The success of this project could serve as a model for future development, offering scalable and replicable solutions for educational infrastructure worldwide. The collaboration is not just a business milestone, but a visionary stride towards building a future where advanced technology and educational development go hand in hand. UCC Holding and COBOD have entered into an ambitious collaboration to construct schools using third-generation 3D printers, spanning an impressive 40,000 square meters. This groundbreaking project aims to set a Guinness World Record for the largest buildings made with 3D printing technology. By incorporating fewer raw materials while maintaining structural integrity, the initiative promotes an environmentally friendly construction process. COBOD's advanced technology enables automated concrete construction through optimized designs that make efficient use of both concrete and reinforcements. This project is a proud alignment with Qatar's sustainability goals as outlined in the Qatar National Vision 2030. This partnership with COBOD is a significant leap for the construction sector, not only in Qatar but globally. We always strive to adopt the latest technologies that contribute to sustainability and efficiency in our operations, and this project is aligned with Qatar National Vision 2030. Through this technology, we are setting new benchmarks in sustainable construction and helping to reduce the environmental impact of our work, said Mr. Mataz Al-Kayat, chairman of UCC Holding. In the dynamic landscape of modern construction, a groundbreaking partnership has emerged, promising to revolutionize the industry. UCC Holding, spearheaded by its visionary president, Mr. Ramez Al-Kayat, has teamed up with COBOD, a leader in 3D construction printing headed by CEO Henrik Lund Nielsen. This collaboration heralds a new era of building methods that emphasize sustainability and efficiency. Mr. Ramez Al-Kayat, president of UCC Holding, expressed his enthusiasm for the venture. This partnership with COBOD represents a major advancement for the construction sector in Qatar and worldwide. By integrating advanced construction methods, we reduce labor requirements, improve quality, minimize waste, shorten project timelines, reduce material usage, and cut carbon emissions, all of which contribute to environmental preservation, he remarked. Henrik Lund Nielsen, CEO and founder of COBOD, echoed this sentiment. This collaboration with UCC Holding for the school's project is a significant advancement for the construction industry, pushing the boundaries of technology, project scale, and sustainability. 3D printing allows us to reduce waste, minimize material use, decrease CO2 emissions, and build in an environmentally responsible way. The agreement between UCC Holding and COBOD is comprehensive. COBOD will offer its expertise in the design, manufacturing, installation, and operation of advanced concrete printers. Additionally, they will provide on-site training and technical support to ensure a seamless and efficient 3D printing process. Scheduled to commence in 2025, this ambitious project will see the construction of two schools, each featuring a two-story structure with a 100m x 100m footprint. To achieve this, two BOD XL printers from COBOD will be employed, each a marvel of engineering at 50 meters in length, 30 meters in width, and 15 meters in height. This partnership not only promises to set new standards in the construction sector, but also marks a pivotal step towards greener, sustainable building practices. As UCC Holding and COBOD pave the way with this venture, the world watches with anticipation for the future of eco-friendly, efficient construction.